There's something different about Ducati this time. It's not a red superbike with sharp fairings, nor is it a high-powered street monster. Instead, it's a single-cylinder enduro bike that's quietly starting to capture the attention of the off-road world. After being first unveiled in pre-production form at last year's EICMA in Milan, Ducati is now ready to open a new chapter with a bike touted as their most ambitious off-road weapon yet, the Ducati Desmo450 EDS. And now it's all officially confirmed. Ducati announced that the Ducati World Premiere for their latest enduro motorcycle will take place on June 9th. This means it's no longer just a concept bike or an exhibition prototype. This is the final, homologated version, ready to hit the enduro race circuit and legally used on public roads. A major step that shows Ducati is truly serious about entering the world of modern enduro. What makes this bike so special, of course, is its mechanical heart. Ducati has equipped it with a 450 cubic centimeters single-cylinder Desmo engine featuring their signature Desmodromic technology, something we almost never see in the enduro class. This engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission and premium Showa suspension that was designed from the ground up to tackle extreme trails. Interestingly, however, for this 2026 production version, Ducati has actually made numerous small refinements to ensure the bike is fully ready for mass production. Visually, the most noticeable change is in the body graphics. While the previous prototype version used a white logo on its rear air intakes, Ducati has now opted for a black logo that looks far more aggressive and elegant. The 450 Desmo lettering is also made more prominent, as if Ducati wants to emphasize that this is no ordinary enduro. This is an off-road bike with the distinctive racing technology DNA of Bologna. Other interesting details can be seen in the engine and exhaust areas. In the previous prototype version, the engine casing featured the bronze or magnesium color typical of pre-production components. However, Ducati has now replaced it with a silver-gray aluminum finish that is better suited for mass production. Meanwhile, the exhaust manifold has also been revised. It is now longer and better optimized for enduro riding, meaning the primary focus isn't just peak power, but strong low-end torque to make the bike more aggressive when tackling climbs and technical trails. And what makes it even more enticing is that Ducati has retained the various premium components that have captured attention from the very beginning. The transparent fuel tank, a hallmark of enduro bikes, remains, paired with a lightweight aluminum frame, black Excel rims, a Brembo braking system, and large-diameter Showa front forks, complete with a rear shock ready to tackle mud and extreme rocky terrain. All these details make the Ducati Desmo450 EDS feel like more than just a new motorcycle. It's a symbol of the dawn of a new era for Ducati in the world of high-performance enduro. Now there's just one question left. Can Ducati shake up the dominance of KTM, Husqvarna, and Honda in the enduro world? We'll find out the answer on June 9th. Thanks for watching.